Hi everyone, this is John from the MLCS Woodworker Showroom and MLCS Woodworking. Today we wanted to talk to you and highlight our benchtop detail sander. And we wanted to make sure you understood the difference between a normal heavy-duty sander and a detail sander. This unit's a beast. It's a 3/4 horsepower monster. It removes material extremely fast, and it can be a little dangerous to use if you're not careful. So we wanted to put this here as a contrast for what our little guy is. I'm going to take it away now so we can talk about our fella. So this is our little benchtop sander, and it's kind of cute. It also has some nice features with it. It comes with a miter gauge, kind of helpful. So we insert the miter gauge, align it with the track, and it's always a little bit difficult. You have an adjustable angle gauge. Set it, and it slides nicely. So it has a variable adjustable bench, so we loosen both sides, and it allows you to tilt it to the angle you want. And again, make sure you use an angle gauge to secure you have the angle that you want. When you're done and you want to square it up, bring it back up. Make sure you have your trusty little 2-inch and square it, tighten it down. So a lot of cool features. It has a bench cleat and a dust port as well. And the dust port goes into the side here, and there's a little alignment, and then we just put that in here. It snaps in, and then you have a dust port. And this is an adapter that allows you to use different size hoses. So another feature that the unit has is a bench cleat or a clamp. And it allows you to clamp it in a vertical and horizontal position. So when you look at the unit underneath, you'll see that there's an opening here and an opening here for the bench clamp. And that slides in here, which would allow it to clamp in the horizontal position. If you want it in this position, you can clamp it here. And it clamps like that. Kind of cool. And for you pen turners, you have to have this accessory from Penn State Industries. This is the world beater for squaring up your pen blanks and not chewing them up to pieces. It slides on, and then you just sand your blank in lower quadrant here, and man, it works great. The unit is variable speed, and it has a really soft, very soft slow speed and a pretty decent high speed. So that's your low speed, and that's your high speed. So you can adjust it to the size of the work that you're using. For example, if we needed to remove this tag, there we go, gone. It didn't rip it out of my hands. Perfect. And when you're doing very small, delicate objects, we want to slow down and use a finer grit. So we want to just take a little bit off of this piece and hold it with our fingers. Done. Very safe, easy, soft, gentle. Perfect. The thing that's nice about it is it uses a standard paper. It's a 5-inch peel and stick adhesive paper. It's readily available. We sell it as well, 80, 150, 240 grit, and it's really easy to change. So there's a bolt on the front of the unit here that we'll take out, and then it allows the entire front sled to come off. It gives you clear access to the disc. You can take it off, clean it, and replace it quickly. Very easy to use. And then the question you have, well, how durable is it? Will it really do the job? Is it going to hold up? Well, this is our shop sander, and this poor thing has been beat to death. We use it every day, and it really holds up well, and it does a great job for us. And as always, if you have any questions whatsoever, call us and ask. We want to make sure you're satisfied with your product and make sure that the sander meets your expectations. Thanks for watching our video.